I did was called Beis Yankov. It was a school for girls, and it was a religious school. So I know when I came home, my parents wondered. My mother was kosher, but she ate in restaurants. And I know that I would tell her we're not supposed to comb our hair Saturday. So she's used to tell me in Polish, I'm not sending you there to tell me what to do on Saturday. I'm sending you to learn to read and write. So now it was a religious school, but I guess it was the only option she had. And she wanted me to learn Yiddish.